Welcome back to Weekend Smile. Now, what better way to celebrate Reggae Month than with Rasta pasta? I don't know any. So, private chef Leighton Meeks will share some tips and secrets on how to prepare the most delicious jerk coconut cream with plantain Rasta pasta. Leighton, before we jump in, I see the pot is already like sizzling. I see a little smoke. Before we jump into the pot, literally, tell us a little bit about Leighton.
Leighton Meeks.
Who is Leighton Meeks?
He's one of those dudes, how should I put it? Very jovial, I'm, down to earth,
Nice.
Like to teach, like to motivate, like to support,
Right.
love to learn,
Yeah.
because, with life,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah,
but it's a breed, man, the essence and the spirits, them and the aroma.
The aroma, it's
Smell
smoke.
of the stew there, yeah, because
Rasta.
we be toasting the vegetable today, no oil.
Yeah. So you're starting talking about the whole food process. Before we go into that, what inspired you to become a chef?
Really and truly, if you should see the culture of Jamaica growing up, with mothers, with grandmothers, with sister, with auntie in the kitchen, so you find, say, basically, you are drawn to it.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, I didn't really choose to become a chef, It happened by choice.
So you're saying it chose you?
I had to survive.
It chose
Because
you.
when my mom went away, I had to learn about the kitchen and get around and stuff. So
Gotcha.
it just became a part of me.
Got you. Okay, so Leighton, I was saying to Dejan earlier that I'm a little bit peckish. Talk us through what you are preparing now. What are the ingredients, firstly, that you need to make? Because you say, the most delicious
Of course it is.
plantain Rasta pasta. Tell us about the ingredients. What we doing?
So first and foremost, don't worry about the smoking in the pot.
Smoke nothing, no, Leighton?
Yeah, don't worry about the smoking in the pot because what I really want is the toast of the vegetable. Normally when you toast vegetable, it becomes a little bit sweeter.
Yeah.
The flavor, it's more aromatic. The flavors on point. I want to stay away from the oil because being that I already had based my pasta with coconut oil. Yes,
so
that will give us the coconut flavor. Plus we have a little bit of coconut cream. So
let's get into it, Leighton. Let's get
here we
into
have
it.
our...
I'm salivating. Peck it. Remember step where you are?
No, man.
Okay. Jamaicans and oil, right? And we're afraid, well, non-chefs like myself, afraid of the splash. But
no, man. No.
Leighton don't care. Leighton is
This is all about because what you want, you want to have a natural toast. You want to feel that crunch from the vegetable.
Gotcha.
Vegetables too soft, it tend to lose a lot of nutrients.
Right.
So you want to get this nicely toasted.
Right.
So
the first thing that we do is obviously you chopped, the vegetables fine.
Well, you can cut it with your preference in whatever you prefer. You want julienne, you can dice. But for me, this is what the entail is.
No, I like that one rather than the little dice and a
because what if you don't eat bell peppers and onions and stuff? So you find that you want to pick it out. Can you smell it? You smell that?
It smells good already.
Yeah,
I do smell it. But I didn't notice you didn't put any oil in the pot. Is that because it's going to come with the... Because
yes,
it's
already. And remember, coconut cream has a hint of oil in it.
Yes.
The more you cook it down, you get oil from it. So.
Okay. So the first thing you do is saute or... saute that name, right?
Yes.
This thing here, so?
Well, this is actually toasting because there's no oil. See, as you can see, for the viewers, you see that? Nice colors around. So then...
And in this one, you have bell peppers, onions...
have bell peppers...
Carrots?
Carrots.
All right.
Any vegetable of your choice. You can add more if you want. Zucchini, squash, mushroom.
Just is Rasta pasta, so we're not talking about the chicken, we're not talking about the beef, we're not talking about the pork.
And I can never understand, how is it that people mix Rasta with meat, and we all know. So for here now, we're going to add the cream.
Cream. You know why? My favorite kind of anything is coconut water. Coconut shrimp, coconut pasta, coconut rice, coconut.
Anything coconut.
Anything coconut. I love this.
If you know in Asia, especially in Thailand, they use a lot of coconut.
Yes.
So for now,
taco is my favorite. Listen.
This is our blended seasoning.
Seasoning bowl.
This is our a little bit of hint of jerk seasoning. So you can use, depending on how much you want, how you want it to taste, you want it spicy or not.
So can I put a little bit of like paprika in there?
Yes, there's paprika. There's paprika. You have a little all-purpose. You have basil. You have garlic powder.
Okay, so whatever you like. Whatever kind of seasoning floats your boat.
Whatever.
Got it.
You don't need a salt for this either. I can remember most of these
seasonings come with salt. That is true. I've found that out the hard way. All right, so it's bubbling now. It's definitely smoking. It's a smoky Rasta pasta.
So what we're going to do is let the coconut milk reduce a bit. So the cream, you don't need any cheese because coconut naturally thickens itself. So you don't need it.
Okay, beautiful. All right, so for
now, we have some plantains already fried, diced. You can cut it your way if you want to as well.
Okay. So I love that you clarified that the plantains are pre-cooked or pre-fried or whatever. Yeah, you don't just put in the raw plantain. I say raw, but you know what I mean.
So you can let that simmer for a while. So while we go, you know, the flavors. We can give it a taste, you know, if you like, you know.
Yes, I would like. What is the proper way to taste this? Now, am I going to put it in my hand like my mother would?
No.
You slurp it. Oh, okay. You don't need to put no pasta in it. I'm ready for this now. I'm ready, you know, it tastes good already. You know, listen to me.
So we're going to put a little bit of jerk seasoning now.
Oh my goodness, it's so good.
Not too much, just a tops.
Just to get the spice, make it a little peppery, spicier.
Because I like spice.
I like spice too, yes.
So here we have it, see? It has already been reduced to the cream. So now we're going to add our pasta. Get a little bit of this coconut out of it.
Okay. Leighton, you really make everything something for everybody in the studio, man. That looks...
Don't worry if you see one jump out of the pot. Sometimes one have to escape.
Right, it's for the ancestors, you know?
So we're going to hit it again with some more coconut cream.
That's fabulous. And I love that because it's reggae month as well. We're keeping the theme, reggae, like you said, Rastafarianism, like we're here with all that. So it's definitely something that we should all try.
Yes, everything.
And it's not too hard.
Sometimes everything can be about meat, you know. Sometimes you have to cleanse your body.
Yeah.
You know, like your doctor would say, drink some water, cut off of the sugar, work out more. Why not do it with food?
Exactly.
You know, because at the end of the day, food is what builds us. Food is life.
Yes.
So if you don't eat right, what them tell you about food? Whatever you eat, you become, right?
It's true. And that is a word. It's absolutely true. We should start thinking about our food as medicine.
Of course.
So everything goes in your body. So
you see, you can smell. And then, for the viewers, always make sure your pasta is cooked al dente. If you don't know what al dente is, it means firm to the bite. You ever been out and having pasta and it tends to get a little bit soft?
So you say no soggy pasta.
No soggy pasta. So if the label and the description or the direction says 10 minutes, cook it for 8. Got a 2 in the sauce.
Got you. So quickly, Leighton, where can we find you on social media? Chef, you cater small and large occasions. Where can we find you on social media?
You can find me on Instagram at Chef Earl Meeks.
Earl Meeks?
Earl Meeks.
All right.
Yes, Earl is my middle name. And you can find me on TikTok at the same Chef Earl Meeks.
Great. Leighton, so thank you so much for stopping by. We're going to wrap right now, and I am still a little bit peckish. So while you guys go to a break, I'm actually going to eat the rest of this. Thank you so much for joining us, and pour my big plate, my big portion. Yes, Chef Leighton Meeks.
Thanks for having me, guys. It was a pleasure.
Come now, Leighton, I'm hungry. Serve the thing. Come.